What is the didactic contract? Translated from contrat didactique, it is the set of reciprocal obligations, commitments, expectations, and penalties that each partner in the didactic situation imposes explicitly or implicitly, which is more usual, on others. The aim of those obligations is to make everyone responsible for their actions and reactions. So it's like a contract where the parts agree upon their responsibilities. Conclusion: teaching must employ concepts and contracts that are accepted by society and culture, like the social contract, where teaching institutions are attached to society. Thank you for watching.